Welcome to Albania, Shenong.
Thank you.
Please take a seat. This is the map of Albania. So since you guys want to promote Albania, we're gonna take you to some of the best places. During this trip, you will be able to see Shala River. We will take you to Kruja city, where there is a lot of culture and history. The amazing Albanian Alps and the pass from Valbona to Theth. We'll take you to Cape of Rodon. Then we'll take you to the beauty of the Albanian Riviera and to Karaburun Peninsula. So when do you want to start?
Now.
So here we are. After a night rest starting from Tirana, we stop in the voyage lake at dawn to have a quick breakfast and enjoy the view. But it's time to get back on the road heading to the next destination. Day 1. With our pickup truck, we drove a few hours through the mountain valleys before to arrive to Coveney Lake. With our small boat, we went up to the lake so we could reach its source, which is Shala River. With the water by 5 degrees, Shala River has its spring from melting snow of Albanian Alps, being thus the clearest river in Albania. Let go of modern transport and walk through Valbona mountains to get the next valley, Theth. So we are now back to the civilization, and the plan of the day was to visit 2 historical cities. The first one is known for his traditional bazaar, and the second one is known for his unique architecture. Welcome to Kruja. The next morning, we woke up extra early to see a lake not far from the capital. It provided us the better part of the drinkable water for Tirana. And to get a better view, we decided to climb up a hill. From the rock where we were, we could admire the walled Gobyava lake. Let's go high again this time by taking a cable car to go on the top of the Deji mountain and fly above the wooded hills. Continuing our adventure for our last destination, we pass by a national park known for its mystical site where roads and clouds become one. So this is our last day in Albania, and there's one more thing that we haven't seen yet. It's the seaside. The 10 days we spent in Albania are incredible. We are lucky to meet amazing people in collaboration with Choose Balkans. This small country offers us so many different landscapes, and each day we discover new breathtaking sights. But there are still more well-kept secrets that we haven't uncovered, and we are intent to come back to unlock them. Albania, see you next time.